YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Waveman Mike. In this video, I'm gonna do a review on the Geekoto ring light. To start this video off with a bang, I want to show you something. This is with the ring light plus my room's light on. Let me show you what this would look like if I turned the ring light off. This is with no ring light. Huge difference. This ring light is super powerful. This ring light is brighter than the lamp I brought from IKEA, and it's lighter than the light that's on my ceiling. And I'm in college, so you know they have expensive bulbs in the ceiling. Just to emphasize the lighting that comes from this ring light, when I'm doing homework, I take my ring light and I bend it down and I put it over top of my homework so I can see better. When I turn off the ring light, even if my room's light is on, it just feels dark in the room automatically. Why? Because I've already been adjusted to just how bright and powerful this ring light is. So, without further ado, let's get this review started. The ring light comes in this case. Comes with a strap that I'm guessing you can put over your shoulder for easier carriage purposes, and it also has two handles for you to hold it. Inside this bag, you'll get the ring light, you'll get an attachment for you to hold your phone up with, you'll get this, which I'll go into later, and you'll get the cord so you can plug your ring light in. Outside of that bag will be the tripod that you put the ring light on. This tripod is extremely sturdy from what I've seen so far, and the height on it is ridiculous. Let me just go ahead and put this to the highest height it can go to right now. You get the point? This thing is pretty tall. This is at least a foot's clearance over my head. So this ring light, the tripod itself is probably about, I'd say 6'4". If I were to point this forward, straight forward, I'd say the height of where your camera sits at would be around 7 feet. Get the picture? So now let me go ahead and show you what the ring light looks like, and then I'll show you what the tripod looks like. This is what the ring light looks like. I'm not the tallest guy in the world, so right now I have the ring light set to about 5 feet 11 inches. Let me show you what this ring light looks like when you turn it on. Pretty bright. The good thing about this ring light is that you can adjust the brightness and the color. Here's me adjusting the brightness. And here's me adjusting the color. See that? My favorite is somewhere in between the whitest and yellowest. Around here. I find that this seems brighter to me. If you look at it, you can see it already comes with a protective cover. So you don't have to worry about it being too bright and leaving hard lighting lines on your videos. With the ring light comes this attachment. You put it onto here so that you can put your phone inside. And if you don't want to, if you have just a regular camera, you can just put it right here and screw it on. This ring light is very easy to take somewhere for traveling. You just unscrew this and you would take this off just like this. Now let me show you the tripod. This is what the tripod looks like out of the box. What you would do is unfold it so that the legs will be down like this. Then you have a screw right here so you can tighten up these legs so that they won't move up and down. Something that I like to do is turn these all different directions so that it's easier to turn these when I want to adjust the height. Because I find that if all of these were right on top of each other, it'll be harder to turn them. But since I turned them sideways, I can just easily turn them either this way or turn them that way. Once you turn them, you just adjust the height. You can see these are pretty thick poles. If you want to use this as a tripod without using it as a camera, you could just unscrew this piece right here, and there you go. Again, let me demonstrate just how tall this tripod actually can get. This is the shortest this tripod can get. This is about 1.5 feet tall. All right, I've moved the leg so that it's sturdy. Now let's adjust these to its highest length. Just look at the height in comparison to my bed. Like I said before, I'm in college, so my bed is about 3.5, maybe even taller than that. 3.5 feet off the ground, maybe taller than that, maybe about 4 feet. So this is extremely tall. And then when you add the tripod on there, it's going to be even taller. My tripod can reach the ceiling, and the ceiling is about 9 feet off the ground. So let's just say that. But that's all I have to say about this ring light. If you have any more questions, do not hesitate to ask. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And share this video with other people you know. I'm Waveman Mike. Enjoy your day.